Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to enable direct messages on TikTok or how to fix direct messages problem on TikTok application. So let's get started our video. First of all, launch on your TikTok application and then go to your profile. And guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. So guys, first of all, if you want to fix or you want to solve direct messages problem, so what should you do? I'm gonna show you that. First of all, tap on the top right side three dot menu bar option, and then there you can see on the number 2 option, privacy. You need to go privacy option, and then you need to scroll down, and there you can see who can send you direct messages. There you can see an option who can send you direct messages. Just open it, and then you need to select everyone on the top option. On the first option, everyone, just select it. Then your direct messages problem already solved and everyone can message you. So in this way you can solve or fix direct messages problem very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.